Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. Please look at all my videos. You never know what you might find helpful. And I hope you're going to find today's video helpful. It's a how to make a low-tech impromptu light box on which you can cut or paint. So here we have it. It's a cardboard box that's been cut down. It's these, get yourself some LED lights. They cost about £7 or £8 and they plug straight in. This is tracing paper. If you don't have a nice big piece of tracing paper, get a piece of grease-proof paper. Then go to your local glazers, get an offcut for free, usually. And there it is. That's your light box. And believe it or not, it's strong enough that you can cut on it. And it's cost you pennies, really. It's cost you almost nothing. And the reason I've put this together today is because my next video is going to be me teaching glass painting to 2 students, so I needed 2 light boxes. So anyway, that's really all I have to say about an impromptu light box. I hope you found it useful. You never know when it might come in handy. And thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe.